Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Breeze and B. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this cute natural hairstyle. If today is your first time of seeing my video, please don't forget to click on the notification bell. That is, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot. And don't forget to like this video, share and comment. One more important announcement I would like to make is about my membership. I want to say thank you all to those who have joined my membership so far. It's well appreciated. Thank you for supporting Breeze and B. I see you, I love you, thank you all. And I want to say, if you haven't joined yet, what are you waiting for? Please, I would like you to join the membership. What am I going to be doing, or what are the benefits if you join my membership? There you're going to have early access to my videos. That is, when I'm uploading a new video, especially tutorial videos, I'm going to make it accessible to the membership platform first, before it can be viewed by every other persons. So I want to say thank you for all your encouragement so far. Don't forget to do this: subscribe, like, share your thoughts, comment, and join my membership. Thank you, and see you all in my next video. Sending love. Stay blessed.
I know I was born beautiful until I started to mess with my hair. Then I thought of starting afresh, but then I saw a beautiful lady and her man with beautiful braids. I decided to approach them. They introduced me to someone with the magic finger for hair braiding. I put a call across, but there was no response. I was almost giving up. Then I got a MSG from the magic finger stylist, prison braids. I explained how my hair was messed up, but she accepted me. I paid a visit to prison braids. She redefined my beauty. I became attracted to myself with the braids she made me. Then I said, "You are so good." Then I saw a gay walking with a very short hair, 360, and Breeze and braids turned the hate to a celebrity hairstyle. Then I told her, "You are the best." Before I left, I asked her, "What styles do you do best?" And she went on, "Breeze and braids are very perfect. Doing box braids, cornrows, boho braids, cruciated dreadlocks, Asian locks with wool trimming, twisting, imaginable styles." Then I was speechless. Then I confessed to prison braids. "You are so talented. You are the best." When I got up the stage to sing, I almost forgot some of my lyrics and started shouting, "Prison braids, prison braids, prison braids. This is the best, you've got to try it out yourself. You've got to see what I saw for next month. I already booked an appointment for my mom, my sister, my brother, my nephew, my niece, my friends. I almost booked for my enemies. I love prison braids. Please keep your stars shining. Prison braids, prison braids. Prison braids, oh, prison braids, oh, prison braids, prison braids. Prison braids, oh, prison braids, oh, prison braids, prison braids. It's the best, you gotta try it out yourself. You gotta see what's on the next month. I already booked an appointment for my mom, my sister, my brother, my nephew, my niece, my friends. I almost booked for my enemies. I love prison braids. Please keep your star shining, prison braids.